Welcome students in the discussion of the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor and the introduction of dielectrics. Due to introduction of dielectrics, the capacitance of combination change. Let us discuss. We know that capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor is equal to K epsilon 0 A upon D. Electric field E between the plates is equal to V upon D. C is equal to Q upon V and Q is equal to epsilon 0 K upon D. When dielectric is partially filled between plates, the dielectric of slab of thickness T is inserted between the plates, then the resultant potential V dash between the plates is equal to E into D into D minus T plus E dash into T is equal to E into D minus T plus E upon K into T. Let us study different combinations. Yes. Suppose in the question such type of capacitor is given, the dielectrics with constants K1 and K2 are introduced here at distances D and D. Thickness is D and D. Area is same. Then using the formulae, capacitance C1 of first dielectric is equal to K1 epsilon 0 A upon D upon 2, and capacity due to second dielectric slab is K2 epsilon 0 A upon D upon 2, and combined capacity, since these two dielectric slabs are in series one after another, in the series combinations of capacitors, combined capacity reciprocal of the resultant capacity, equivalent capacity, is equal to sum of reciprocals of individual capacitors, is 1 upon Cn is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2, and solving this we get twice K1 K2 upon K1 plus K2 epsilon 0 A upon D. Hence combined dielectric constant of this combination is twice K1 K2 upon K1 plus K2. This is similar as the parallel combination of the capacitor. In the MCQ, values may be given, or in the terms of letters K and K, answer can be given in the options. In the second type of combination, capacitors are connected. Here dielectric slabs are placed similar to the parallel capacitors, and here area wise distribution is there, A by 2, and their thickness is same D. So capacity of single combination will be equal to C1 is equal to K1 epsilon 0 A upon twice D. C2 is equal to K2 epsilon 0 A upon twice D. Area is written as A upon 2. A upon 2. Thickness of both is same, and hence combined capacity of this combination, it is for parallel combination C1 plus C2, and hence Cn or C equivalent is equal to K1 plus K2 upon 2 epsilon 0 A upon 2. Comparing these two formulas, we have Kn, the resultant dielectric constant of combination is K1 plus K2 upon 2. Okay. So, next combination may be any kind of combination can be asked according to question paper setter. Now here, suppose dielectric slab of dielectric constant K3 is in parallel with the series combination of these two slabs K1 and K2 with thicknesses as shown in the figure. Then capacity of this slab of dielectric constant K3 is equal to K3 epsilon 0, area of this part is A upon 2 divided by thickness of this part, actually it should be D, here it is wrong, D, and hence finally it is K3 epsilon 0 A upon twice D. And for the two series slabs of capacitances, capacity C1 is equal to K1 epsilon 0 A upon 2 upon D upon 2 is equal to K1 epsilon 0 A upon D, and C2 is equal to K1 epsilon 0 A upon 2 upon D upon 2 is equal to K2 epsilon 0 A upon D, and combined capacity of this series part is given by the formula for series part, and this for this combined capacity of this upper and lower part can be found using the formula for parallel part, and the combined capacity will be equal to K1 upon 2 plus K1 K2 upon K1 plus K2. So in any such type of question, short trick is that you must look at the slabs as in the series combination or parallel combination, and use the rule of capacitance, equivalent capacitance in the series part and the parallel part, and you will find the formulae similar that of series and the parallel combination of capacitance. Use that formula for equivalent capacity of series and parallel part, and you will get the answer in the very less interval of time. Thank you. In the next video, we will discuss important tips on chapters like electricity and magnetism, current electricity, electrostatics. Thank you.